These QR codes are very useful. These are attachable to your luggage, and they make a bunch of different, sets. So this is like a sticker, and these are keys. And what this can do is you can easily attach this to your luggage. So if you're traveling, right, you put this on your luggage. It's got a very strong, like metal clasp here. And you can write your name on it, of course, like any other tag, but they take it one step further. There's actually a QR code on here that you set up. You just easily scan it with your phone initially to set it up. You put in your contact information, your email address basically. And then anyone that if you were to lose your bag, someone can walk up to this, scan this QR code. And what happens is, I sort of can show you, when they scan it, it will basically bring up like a messaging app. And it's anonymous. They don't know that it's you. And you can write in there like, hey, the person that found it can say, hey, I found this device, or I found this, and then you'll get an email. So if I did it on another device, and then you can see on this device that I got an email that says basically you've received a new contact. And of course, if you were to lose your bag, you would remember you have this and you'd be checking your email. It can also notify an app. You could download an app on your phone, and it could also, I think that's the way. It's basically those two things. So it send you an email, send you a text, and it could send you a notification in the app if you were to download the app. So these are really neat, really easy to set up. You didn't have to set up even like a username and password. You just basically set it up. They have for keys, and they also have stickers. I think they have a bunch of other ones. So these are definitely, next time I travel, going to Germany soon, I'm definitely gonna be putting these on my laptop bag and on my carry-on bag. In case I lose it, someone can contact me. It's all anonymous. You can put a pre-recorded like kind of message in there. So you can even just, actually, if someone was to scan it, you could just give them your information. I didn't do that because if you're sitting in line and this is hanging off the back, someone could scan it and they literally would get whatever that message is that you put on there, they would get. So I would leave it more anonymous and just say, hey, thanks for scanning this. Please reach out and let me know, and then it'll send you a message. And then you can reply back with your contact information if you were to lose your stuff. So it's very flexible, really neat, really cheap alternative to losing your stuff. Nice security. Oh, I'm out. Put a link down below, and I'm out.